¿Qué pasó, raza? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Tita. On this episode, we're going to teach you how to make chilaquiles. Let's get started. So we bought this little bag of chile. It's called Chile Colorado Entero. And this is an 8-ounce bag, and we only use about half of it. So we use about 4 ounces of chile. So what we did is we put it in here. ¿Cuánta agua le ponemos, ma? She's saying that she just pours a little bit of water. So you let it boil por cuánto?
15 minutos.
For about 15 minutes. After that, after you're done, we're gonna put it in a blender. So you want it like really soft, right, ma? Blandito.
Poquita cebolla.
So you add a little bit of onion,
Un ajo.
1 garlic,
Poquito orégano.
just a little bit of oregano.
Media cucharadita de orégano.
Yeah, just like half a spoon of oregano, just very little,
Sal.
and a little bit of salt. So with my mom, usually she never measures anything. She just kind of, como dices, al tanteo. And that's like the best way to cook, I feel. And that's the way I cook too. I just kind of guess, or I don't guess, you just kind of feel it. Like, oh, this feels like the right amount of spice. So le echaste poquita agua, ¿verdad? So we add just a little bit of water of what's left in here. If you want to see like how much water we added. And then after that, we're just gonna blend it. Yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah? Sorry. Dale. So we just blend it for a little bit. Smells good. That's perfect. That's perfection right there, baby. Some good stuff. So what she did, she kept like the rest of the water in here, just in case she kind of wants to thin it down a little bit more. So what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna put it in this strainer, and we're gonna get all the whatever is left down here. Dale. Enséñame. A ver la pro. So what you want to do here is just pretty much shake it or stir it. You don't shake it, you stir
Para
it.
quitarle
You
la
stir it.
semilla y el perejil.
So the purpose of this is just to get all the seeds and the skin off. You don't want that in your plate. So pretty much what we're doing is just pretty much straining it. So, I mean, I guess this has been really hard for everybody this past year. I know it's been especially hard for us since, we get together every weekend. Every summer, every Friday, we would get together here at my parents' house. They have an awesome pool, so going to Pops and Tita's house every Friday was like a tradition. And we've totally missed out, this past year of not, getting together. And it's been super hard, but you know what, things are looking pretty good, and I can't wait till things get back to normal and we're back at this pool swimming. So soon, mama. So al rato. So you just keep. ¿Todavía más?
Pues es que...
Ay, tú sí haces pesas, mira. Ay, estás machine, mira. Oh, tú.
Es que la pandemia,
Oh, sí, mira, sí, estás machine. Híjole. Se parece Popeye, mi mamá. Estás fregona. Alright, so at this point, we're gonna do our tortillas. And what we did, you're gonna have to cut them all nice and make them into nice little triangles. You just grab the tortillas, así, ¿verdad? Tita style, así, de volada. Put them in here, and you add some oil, and you start going to town, just like that. And you don't want too much oil, but you don't want too little oil either. You don't want them swimming in that oil. Just that, and then we'll add a little bit chopped onion in here if you like, but I think it gives it that extra flavor. So, I have a funny story. So, sorry. Desbaratando. So, we went to Pegosa one time. We took the train out there. We were all fancy. They had chilaquiles on the menu. And I was like, oh, I love chilaquiles. I'm going to get chilaquiles. ¿Te acuerdas que agarramos chilaquiles? and we couldn't wait. Like, oh, we're so hungry. And then they just brought us like a little plate with like tostadas, like ketchup and cheese.
¿Cuál ketchup?
That's what it tasted like. It was horrible. Like it tasted like ketchup, but I guess it wasn't ketchup. But and cheese and I was like, oh, estos no son chilaquiles. Estos no son chilaquiles de verdad. So
Eran chilaquiles
sí, americanos. Sí.
So,
This is the real stuff right here.
dale para abajo, a ver si ya se
Dale,
está
dale, dale.
tostando. Sí, ya se está tostando. Si quieres ya la cebollita ya se está dorando también.
At this point, you don't like what I was doing. I think I was just like moving it too much, and it starts breaking apart the tortilla. And you don't want to do that. I just got scolded over here. So you just kind of like let it sit, and then you kind of move it around. And when you'll be able to tell, like once it's like you'll start seeing a little bit brown, and then you'll start seeing the onion start getting caramelized. I can't even say that word.
Ya se está quemando.
It's burning, so we're good to go. So now we're gonna add the chile. The chile. ¿Y cuánto chile le echamos, ma?
¿Te gusta que estén bien bañaditos?
Yes. Oh, that looks
Con
good.
cuidadito.
Nice and slow, because if not, it's just gonna pop everywhere.
Mírale que es fácil.
¿Le doy?
Ajá.
Alright. So at this point, you start just kind of stirring it a little bit. ¿De abajo la lumbre, que no?
Sí, poquito más. Eso.
So we'll lower,
No lo bajas mucho, ¿eh?
like you want to lower down the heat a little bit, not too much, just a bit. And we're gonna move it around. We're gonna kind of like stir it around. And you don't want to be too violent with it either. If not, you're gonna have this chile everywhere. So just like that. Boom, perfect.
Le ponemos más, ¿no?
A little bit more. Y nomás dependiendo cuánto chile quieran, ¿verdad?
Sí. No, pues lo más que estén bien bañaditos, mira ya.
So just depending on how much chile you want, you can do a lot or you can do a little.
Moja todas las tortillitas. Ya cuando está bien. ¿Ya está?
Yeah. Oh man, and this,
Mojarse las gorditas.
what she says is she needs a little bit more chile though, but God, this tastes so good just by itself like this. Es me está saliendo la baba. But like this for breakfast, and then you just put an egg on top of it. Oh, it's so good. ¿Cómo se llaman eso? ¿Nomás chilaquiles con huevo?
¿Me vas a poner un huevito?
No, digo para
la
para la mañana. Oh, it's so good. And then right now you just add the cheese on top. And ¿qué más? That's it?
Ya.
Yeah, it's like it looks ready. And that's it. And I mean, that was pretty simple. Like super easy. The hardest part is just making the chile. Putting it in some water, boiling it for about 15 minutes. Gets nice and tender. Throw in a blender and bam, done. No, the hardest part was, ¿cómo le llamas? Coleándolo?
No, ¿cuál coleando?
Oh, no?
Meneando.
Oh, coleándole. ¿No dijiste colearlo?
No, colar.
Colar, sí, 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 colar.
Colarlo.
Colar. So, I think that was the hardest part. It's just so tedious, just going back and forth, back and forth.
Bastante queso.
A lot of cheese. Which my son actually helped me prepare. Yeah,
Ya está.
that's it. I mean, bam, just like that. Finished product. Now, time to taste it, baby. One more.
Si poquito es bueno, mucho mejor.
Mucho es mejor. So, we didn't get dirty. This is just a lot of love that spilled over to my awesome shirt right here. This is the Transcend Borders new shirt that we came out with. A lot of sweat and hard work and tears came into the shirt. And you can see the back. It's got this cool logo. Logosote. It's awesome. We worked hard on that too. And I hope you guys really liked it. And I know we did. We had an awesome time making this shirt. As you can see, Pops is in the background. He just got back home from work. So, proceeds to the shirt goes to Borderland Rainbow Center. It's time for the taste test.
Se te salió. Ay. Yo.
Hermano, tú primero.
No, tú.
Pruébalo. Tú. Pruébalo. Super good. I hope you guys liked the episode. I had a blast. I miss coming to Tita's kitchen. We'll be doing these episodes once a month. So let Tita know what you guys want Tita to teach you how to cook. She's a master of everything. Yeah? See, what she shake? She's a master of cooking anything. So send your comments. See you next month, and I te watcho raza. Peace.